Since Repair Clinic encourages you to perform this repair safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution. To replace the air filter base on this Briggs Stratton engine, you will need a 5/16" nut driver. Before you begin this procedure, make sure the engine has cooled. Use the 5/16" nut driver to unthread the two mounting screws, securing the air filter cover. Remove the cover and the air filter. Then unthread the screws securing the filter base. Pull the choke lever off, then detach the breather tube to fully release the old base. To prepare the new air filter base for installation, remove the backing from the provided gasket to expose the adhesive. Then align the gasket on the base and press firmly. Attach the breather tube to the base. Insert the two mounting screws through the base. Then align the base and thread the screws into the carburetor. Replace the choke lever. With the pre-cleaner positioned in the cover, followed by the air filter with its rubber gasket facing outward, align the cover on the base and secure it with the screws.